Since ancient times, Uttar Pradesh has been the cultural center of India. The most prominent of all pilgrimage places is Prayag, which is the meeting point of the sacred rivers Ganges, Yamuna and Saraswati. Mangad Dham is situated close to it. 161 kilometers from Lucknow on the Lucknow-Allahabad highway, the natural beauty of Mangad fills the heart with an inexplicable peace. This supremely pure pilgrimage place is the birthplace of Jagat Guru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj and the site for the Bhakti Mandir reciting the beautiful deities of Sri Radha Krishna. Every particle of this holy land is imbued with the bliss of divine love. The Bhakti Mandir in Mangad, as the very name proclaims, serves as a perennial light for all devotees on the path to God. One literally experiences the fulfillment of years of spiritual practice by coming face to face with God in this divine temple. On entering the main doors of Bhakti Mandir, the all-attractive forms of the 8 intimate associates of Radha Krishna, the Mahasakhis, are to be seen in the central hall. The magnificent deities of Sri Radha Krishna are installed on the floor above, and their breathless beauty captivates the mind. Thousands of devotees come to Mangad to intensify their devotion for Sri Radha Krishna and fulfill the goal of their human lives. The entire environment in and around Bhakti Mandir is so filled with devotion that the heart melts and tears of longing for a divine vision of Sri Radha Krishna automatically flow from the eyes. Jagat Guru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj was born in the year 1922 on the auspicious night of Sharad Purnima. It was on this very auspicious night of Sharad Purnima that Sri Krishna bestowed the bliss of Maharaj 5,000 years ago. On the one hand, Sri Maharaji is always absorbed in the divine love bliss of Sri Radha Krishna. On the other hand, he is constantly concerned about the welfare of every living being. His eyes shed tears for his beloved Shyama Shyam, whereas his heart lies in the enlightenment of mankind. An average person might think that a man bestowed with the supreme title of Jagat Guru and possessing such extraordinary knowledge must be beyond the reach of common people. But Maharaji, being most merciful and compassionate, is just the opposite of this. He himself reaches out to communicate with as many people as possible for their enlightenment. Even at the advanced age of 84, Sri Maharaji begins his day at 3 a.m. and sets an example for both our spiritual and physical betterment. He personally visits the dining hall from time to time when devotees eat. In spite of being the fifth original Jagat Guru, and being surrounded by lakhs of devotees, he gives personal time to anyone who needs to clarify their spiritual doubts.
जब तक आपकी कृपा ना हो चिंतन कहते हो कोशिश तो करते
How can one engage in meditation on the divine without your grace? We try our best but are unable to do it.
कृपा कर दे कि सबको चिंतन होने लगे तो ये संसार ही क्यों रहता, किसी को फिर कुछ करने के लिए वेद पुराण.
If the saint and God were able to grace everyone with divine thoughts, why should the material world continue to exist? Why should the Vedas and Puranas then instruct us to do anything? Do this, don't do this. All God needed to do was to resolve and grace, and all living beings would have been automatically liberated. There have been countless saints, Tulsi, Sur, Mira, Kabir, Nanak, Tukaram. Why didn't they bestow their grace on us and liberate us? The saint's grace is to show us the right path. To actually walk on it is the grace we have to bestow on ourselves. The saints and God cannot bestow this grace.
उसके पास और है क्या कृपा के सिवा?
Apart from this, the saints and God do nothing but grace us. It is for us to realize their grace. With Sri Maharaji's inspiration, a charitable hospital with modern equipments has been constructed in Mangar Dham. Over 1,000 patients are provided free medical treatment daily.
इसका फ्रैक्चर हुआ था महाराज जी, वही हुआ था, इसकी 3 बोन का.
दर्द तो
नहीं महाराज.
Sri Maharaji personally visits the hospital every day and affectionately inquires about each patient. His divine presence works as a panacea for all patients.
गर्दन हिलनी तीसरा दिन है आज, और गर्दन हिलाने लगी और पैर भी उठाने लगी है.
The poet says that a saint's heart is as soft as butter. But in fact, it is even softer. Butter melts when it is heated, but the saint's tender heart melts seeing the suffering of others. As a guru, Shri Maharaji is both a guardian and guide, and he is also an intimate friend who sits in the midst of his devotees and affectionately talks to everyone. With his all-embracing love, overflowing grace and compassion, he has won the hearts of millions. Who would not consider himself truly blessed, having such a compassionate, merciful and loving master as Shri Maharaj Ji?